Managing accounts payable can be one of the most time-consuming parts of running a small business. Between tracking invoices, making payments, and keeping records organized, it is easy for things to slip through the cracks. That is where automation tools come in. Bill.com is built for structure, scale, and control. It is a comprehensive accounts payable and receivable platform that helps small and mid-sized businesses automate their entire payables workflow. When you receive a vendor invoice, you can upload it directly into Bill.com or have it emailed to a special inbox. The system automatically reads the key details like vendor name, due date, and amount and syncs them to your accounting software. From there, you can review, approve, and schedule payments in just a few clicks. One of Bill.com's biggest strengths is its approval workflows. You can assign multiple approvers, set custom approval chains, and ensure that every bill gets reviewed before payment. This helps prevent errors and keeps your internal controls tight. It also integrates deeply with major accounting systems like QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, and Sage Intacct, which means payments and reconciliations update automatically. Bill.com supports multiple payment types too. You can pay vendors through ACH, check, virtual card, or international wire, all from one dashboard. For businesses that work with overseas contractors or suppliers, that global capability is a big advantage. The platform also keeps detailed payment records for audit purposes and simplifies month-end closing by syncing everything back to your books automatically. Now let's talk about Melio. Melio focuses on simplicity and affordability while still delivering powerful payment tools. It is designed specifically for small businesses that want to pay vendors faster without complicated setup. The interface is clean, modern, and very easy to use. You can add bills manually, upload them as PDFs, or connect your accounting software to import invoices automatically. Melio's key selling point is flexibility. You can pay vendors by bank transfer or debit card for free, and even pay with a credit card when your vendor only accepts checks or bank deposits. Melio will charge your card and then send the vendor a payment in their preferred method. That lets you keep cash flow steady while earning card rewards or extending your payment window. Another advantage of Melio is how accessible it is for small teams. There are no monthly fees, and the only cost comes from optional card payments or expedited checks. The system supports basic approval workflows, integrates with QuickBooks Online, and automatically syncs payment data. It's perfect for business owners who want automation without the complexity of a full enterprise system. Melio also lets you schedule payments in advance, split bills between multiple payers, and send payment reminders. If your small business is scaling and you need advanced controls and accounting automation, Bill.com will give you professional-grade tools to grow into. But if you are a lean operation focused on efficiency and cash flow, Melio will save you time and money while keeping payments organized and stress-free. Either way, both platforms help modernize how small businesses manage payables across North America, making late payments and manual data entry a thing of the past.